Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to add notes on Uber Eats. If you want to include a special note or instructions for your order during the checkout process on Uber Eats, then here is how you can do it. First of all, launch open Uber Eats application. Make sure that you are opening up the latest version of Uber Eats. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well, and once you're in, choose your item you would like to order from the restaurants nearby. You can also scroll through and find the specific item you are trying to order. After you select an item, go ahead and add all the items you want in your cart by clicking on the plus icon right next to the food item. Now, click on View Basket at the bottom once you are done. On the next page, click on Add Note at the bottom and enter any note or special instruction during the checkout process. After you are done, click Save and finally click on Go to Checkout and complete your order placement. For confirmation, you will receive confirmation of your order, including any special notes you have added in your order summary. So that is how you can add a note on Uber Eats quickly and easily. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.